Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. All right, another thing you'll want to be aware of when recording is your signal to noise ratio. You want to ensure that your signal, the source that you're recording, is louder than everything else making noise around you, hence signal to noise ratio. Now, of course, you want to ensure that the space you're recording in is as free of background noise as possible, but sometimes we can't make our recording environment completely free of background noises. There might be mowers outside, maybe your neighbors are fighting for the third time today, maybe you need to turn off the AC before you start recording. You get the idea. One of the main ways to ensure that we're being picked up way more than the background noises is something I've already covered a few different times throughout this course. Get your microphone as close to the source that you're recording as possible, you. This helps eliminate extraneous noises and helps the mic focus more on you. There's also really nifty tools out there called denoisers we can use to help eliminate background noises, and these days they've gotten super good. We'll cover those a little later on in the course.